This is our project Smart Shopping Cart.
Welcome to the Smart Shopping Cart. Calibrate the load before start shopping.
When the system is initialized, initially we get garbage values in the load parameter, that is load minus 150 grams. So we need to calibrate the load before starting the shopping process by pressing the load calibration switch. Now the load is calibrated to 0 grams. Now let us come to the hardware which is being used in this project. The first one is 20x4 LCD display, RFID RC522, 1x4 switch for shopping process, ESP826612E as Wi-Fi module to push all the data to the cloud, Arduino Mega Atmega 2560 microcontroller, and a speaker is being used for audio output, which helps for the blind people during the shopping process. This is a load cell which is used to monitor the load, and a wheels to move the cart via app using 12 volts DC motor. These are the respective loads used for the samples: biscuit, noodles, soap and salt. This is the Smart Shopping app where the items which is being added on the cart is being displayed on the app in detail with the cost, weight and item name. Below we have the total cost and the directions to move the cart. So initially no item is being added, so all the loads are 0 and the total cost is 0. Now let us start shopping by adding the items to the cart. The first button is to add the items to the cart.
Scan the item to adding in cart.
So the first load is salt, which is being scanned first.
Salt is scanned.
And it is being placed
Please wait
on the
checking
load.
with load.
As soon the item is being added to the cart, it is being updated on the app. The item is salt, weight is 396 gram and the cost is 20, and it even changes to the total cost is 20. Now we can even control the directions of the cart by pressing the switch on the app. And stop. Now let us try to remove the item from the cart by pressing the second switch.
Please wait checking with load.
So we can remove it.
Scan item to remove.
So we will be scanning the item to remove.
Salt is scanned.
Now salt is removed from the cart.
Item removed from cart.
Now the cart is empty. As soon as it is being emptied, The app has no items since one item was being added and it is being removed. So there are no items and the total cost is 0. As soon as the shopping is over, the fourth button is to exit the shopping screen. As we press the fourth switch, we come back to the home screen. This is all about the shopping trolley. Now let us come to the smart rack, where the items can be placed by the shopkeepers. The smart rack. The smart rack is helpful to find the products on app. So initially there are no products in the rack. So slot 1A, slot 1B is empty. To add item to the rack, we need to press this scan switch. So slot A1A is being scanned for salt. So once it is being scanned, we can place it on the rack. Now the slot 1A is dedicated only for the salts. Similarly, slot 1B can be scanned by pressing the second switch. Now slot 1B is dedicated for the soap. Now the users can track the product by its name via the app.